Here's present.
Here's Ellen. That's for David too.
Here.
Here, I want you to open.
Ah.
That's for you and that's for you. And this is for you.
I got a box.
David got a box.
Is this a box?
Oh, we need a scissor.
Mommy, scissors.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, now not.
Ooh, snow boots.
Let me see. I got this for Christmas. I got this for.
Oh, yeah, candy.
I got the most of those, you know.
Oh.